How to unblock yourself on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily unblock yourself on Instagram. So if someone has blocked you on Instagram and you're not sure how to unblock, ask them to unblock you, then this is how you do it. The first thing you do is open up your Instagram. So let me just show you guys by blocking an account. So I'm just going to go to my account, tap on my alt account, and then block this account like this. I'm just going to tap on block. So once you do this, what you're going to do is simply go to your other account and check. Now if I just go to this account and tap on the profile, after blocking this, you won't be able to see any of the posts. So what I'm going to do is switch to another account. Now what you essentially want to do is head over to another account and then ask, or you could just ask your other friend, tap on this line and then add the account that you have blocked, and you're going to create a group chat of that account. So just tap on this messages icon and then from here create group chat. Just add the account that you have been blocked from, ask your friend to do that and add your own account. Tap on create group chat and just type in a simple message, and then you will be able to see each other's messages on the group chat, and then you can ask your friend to unblock you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.